Welcome to Ohio Technical College. I'm Matt, your personal tour guide. There's a lot to see and a lot to learn, so come on, let's go explore. This is the lobby, the first stop on our campus tour. At Ohio Technical College, you're never a number, you're a name. In our family, the Ohio Tech family, welcome home. The automotive program here at Ohio Technical College will turn you into a vehicle technician. You'll learn brake systems, engine performance, heating and air conditioning, axles and drivetrains, and don't forget transmissions. Our Audi education program is a special opportunity for automotive students that will teach you how to repair some of the finest engines in the world, setting you up for a career. The automotive program here at Ohio Tech is accredited by the ASE Educational Foundation to the highest of its 3 levels, Master Automotive Technician. Eighteen-wheelers own the road. American business is still powered by diesel engines. Here at Ohio Technical College, you'll learn about the entire framework of a diesel engine, from electronic diagnostic, fuel injection, preventative maintenance, engine inspection, along with HVAC, transport, refrigeration. Diesel engines are responsible for delivering some of the most important goods to your home. And here at Ohio Technical College, we'll show you everything you need to know to keep those engines running right and those trucks on the road. We're right outside the Max J. Eggert Generator Power Lab, where high voltage careers blast off the ground. Come on, let's go check it out. Our industry-renowned Generator Power Systems program here at Ohio Technical College provides a first-class ticket for any student seeking the highest level of diesel education. Graduates of our Generator Power Systems program have locked in careers with big-time companies such as Caterpillar, Cummins, Detroit Diesel, and Kohler. Our Generator Power Systems program will teach you all of the electrical components, from energy, currents, on down to electrical magnetism, engine and generator metering, along with a deep dive into control panels. Students in this course will learn the operating program principles of such auto transfer brands as ASCO, Generac, and Westinghouse. And this is just scratching the surface in this electrifying program. The welding industry is red hot. And here in our welding program at Ohio Technical College, we'll show you how to fire up your torch and light the way to a very successful career. Come on, let's go check out our training center. We'll teach you how to read blueprints and abbreviations. Plus, you'll learn about all the mathematics and measurements that go into any welding and fabrication product. From Boston to Los Angeles, your welding and fabrication degree from Ohio Technical College will carry you from coast to coast. Our welding and fabrication program here at Ohio Technical College will teach you about aluminum and stainless steel cutting, plasma and arc and air carbon cutting, plus plate and pipe welding, gas metal welding, flux core welding, shield metal, arc welding, and so much more. We'll learn it all right here at Ohio Technical College. Remember that sports car you saw wrecked on the freeway last week? How about your neighbor's truck with the front end all torn up? We'll show you how to put them both back together right here in our collision repair program at Ohio Technical College. The collision repair program is one of our most popular courses here at Ohio Tech. OTC Collision Repair will show you how to perform a complete structural diagnosis on the damage done to any vehicle. We'll also show you the valuable skill of welding, all here in collision repair at Ohio Technical College. In addition, OTC Collision Repair will teach you everything that you need to learn about painting and refinishing the vehicle that you just put back together. The custom paint program here at Ohio Technical College will provide detailed lessons on everything that you need to know to give anything a fresh look. You'll learn about exotic paints, airbrushing, pinstriping, and so much more right here in the custom paint program at OTC. I know you're loving the tour so far, but don't you dare take your foot off the gas pedal if you want to keep the pace. Come on, let's keep rolling. The High Performance in Racing program here at Ohio Technical College will send your RPMs into the red. This program will teach you engine building, ignition fuel systems, chassis fabrication and welding, steering and suspension. In our High Performance in Racing course, you'll learn about HP transmissions and driveline systems, along with motorsports management. Our High Performance in Racing program here at Ohio Technical College is both fun and highly educational, and will serve as the gateway to an exciting career. The Powersport program here at Ohio Technical College is a course for all seasons. From motorcycles to ATVs and personal watercrafts, we'll teach you how to take them all apart and put them back together. We'll introduce you to the elite manufacturers in the game. You'll get hands-on experience with Kawasaki, Yamaha, Suzuki, Polaris, and Indian. Our manufacturer dealer recognition is just another reason why Ohio Tech is like no one else. The Rod and Custom Restoration program here at Ohio Technical College is loaded with things to learn. We'll teach you about painting and refinishing, custom paint and graphics, metalworking and fabrication. You'll know everything about upholstery and all of the electronic aspects necessary to put the coolest vintage vehicles back on the road. And you'll learn about the concept design that goes into planning these projects, along with the final reassembly and detailing of your favorite vintage vehicle. As a technician, your tools matter, and we'll get you locked and loaded with all the best here at Ohio Technical College at the Matco store right on campus. During your time here at Ohio Technical College, you're eligible to receive discounts of up to 50% on everything you need to make you the best tech in the land. No matter what program you're in, this is an essential destination on campus, the tool room. Come on down, show your ID, and we'll get you anything you need to succeed. We're cruising the halls here at Ohio Tech, and we've hit the campus store. This is where you'll get your student ID, your game day uniform, and books like this that'll help you get the edge in the classroom. Plus, we've got all the gear you need to show everyone that you ride with OTC. Come on in. Here in our campus store, we'll get you outfitted with all the best Ohio Tech merchandise. We've got Carhartt vests, North Face jackets, plus all the hats, sweatshirts, t-shirts, and gifts you'll need. So stop in and stock up. Ohio Technical College offers career placement services, financial aid, housing assistance, and everything else you'll need to maximize your OTC experience. Thank you for being our guest today at Ohio Technical College. Truly a special place. To learn more, visit us online at ohiotech.edu and get ready to start your engine to your degree today.